Today we're going to take a look at the all-new half-ton approved telescopic small dump series by Diamond C. These dump trailers share some of the same great body design that their predecessor had, but we've integrated the telescopic cylinder and I-beam frame low pro design. Let's go take a look. This all-new series has three different models. The GST, a single axle dump trailer rated at 6,000 pounds, the GDT, a tandem axle rated at 7,000 pounds, and lastly the MDT, a tandem axle rated at 9,890 pounds. These three dump trailers all share the same main platform, the telescopic design, the low profile I-beam design, and as well the dump body design. We're going to dig into those three things and why they matter to you. Starting off with the front mount telescopic cylinder design. Over the last 4 years, the big brother to these, the LPT, has proven that there is no greater power, no greater lifting power in dump trailers than a front mount telescopic cylinder. It doesn't matter how you load the trailer front to back, if you load it front heavy this time or not, telescopic cylinder is always going to come through for you. It's far superior, especially to a straight push cylinder under the bed or a scissor lift. We integrated the telescopic, three-stage telescopic design into these small trailers so that you as the end user, the consumer, the guy that's working on the job site or on the farm never has to worry, is it going to dump it? It's just going to do it. Next up, we have integrated our signature low-profile I-beam frame design into the new small dumps. We did that for two reasons. Number one, this design has stood the test of time for over 12 years on its big brother, the LPD, and then also on the LPT. It is a far superior design to your normal tubing or channel frame designs. The benefit of this, which would be number two reason why we did it, is because it also gives you an ultra low deck height, which makes loading over the side of the dump trailer and loading equipment into the back of the dump trailer much easier and much more efficient. Another standout feature to this new series is the way the dump body is constructed. We use a 3-inch wide top rail, which is roughly 50% larger than the industry standard. As well, the dump body uprights are 3 inches deep and have a wider footprint to them. That allows this dump side design to take more abuse and not become deformed from loading over the side with a bucket or over time with rocks and gravel inside the body deforming the sides. Next is the center seam design. The center seam design is really critical in how long the floor of your dump trailer lasts. Most manufacturers run their seams in the corners. What happens when you run your seams in the corners is if you don't keep them cleaned out well, that can be a habitat for rust to set in. We always, on all Diamond C trailers, centrally locate the seam of the two sheets of metal. Additionally, there are some companies that do run a center seam design, but the sheets of metal are butted together, which if you're over time, if you're loading heavy rocks, if you're loading gravel, things of that nature, it can end up breaking the two sheets apart at times. So what we do is on all trailers, we run an overlap of a minimum of 2 inches. That overlap is wildly stronger than just two sheets butted together, making for an overall very durable dump body that'll last you for years to come. If you're a farmer, a rancher, a homeowner, or you just have dumpy work you need to get done, jump on diamondc.com to build one of these three new models to fit your needs. Be on the lookout for more videos and information to come about these new trailers and much more.